Minuet by Jean-Philippe Rameau. Make sure you're only learning this section, not this part. This is for the right hand. The right hand is going to play all the way through. Here's C, do. And so the starting note is so. In class, we marked all the skips with a triangle. My part is not marked, but your part is. So, fa, mi, fa, line to line, re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Here's your next skip. Mi, do, space to space, re, mi, so, skip, fa, mi, re, do. So do that much first. This is all in the C position, which looks like this. Starting note. So, fa, mi, fa, re. There's our skip. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Skip down to do, re, mi. And then we skip up to so again. And fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. So I just played from here to here, and my hand stayed in one hand position. Now comes the part that you really need to look at carefully. You're on the do. There's the re. Notice it says finger 2. We're back to the do, finger 1. Then it goes down to the note below do. Remember what that is? Ti, la, so. So that pattern, re, do, ti, la, so, puts us below the hand position. Re, do, ti is over here. So what's the best way to reach it? Yeah, use a scale fingering. That's why it says to use finger 3. Ti, la, so, and I'm able now to get down to the so. I'll make a bet you may have wanted to do this. But that's not what's written there, right? That fingering simply to assist you to note that there is a crossover. When I reached the second line, I discovered that this is exactly the same as this until I get to here, and the last two notes are different. So I move back to here. And here are the last two notes. Mi, do. And so I'm going to end up on the do. Remember, when you're reading music, you can use your other hand to follow along as you are playing. That way, if you lose your place, your finger's still there. Right? So I'm going to sort of show you that as I put it over here. Here I go. I'm letting my finger see the intervals. Here's a nice long pattern. And here's that. Those notes continue down and I need to adjust. I continue. And if you do this correctly, you'll end up on C, do.